Friends, today I want to talk about Ondo Finance, as this asset has significantly increased its presence in the crypto market recently. I will explain how the company is actively conquering the real-world assets sector, and you will also learn about the key updates and, of course, why Trump chose this coin for investment in this sector. And, of course, we will discuss my price prediction for this coin. In addition, I will share a few more coins from this narrative that are currently in my portfolio, so make sure to watch this video until the end and definitely subscribe to the channel.
3, 2, 1, fire!
I've been talking about this coin for a long time. I started covering it back when the price was just 30 cents. At this point, every one of my longtime viewers is sitting at a 3x, and not too long ago, it was even higher. So I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, as there will be a lot of interesting and, most importantly, profitable information. So make sure to subscribe so you never miss my videos again. Well, now we can move on to the review of the coin itself. First, I will quickly remind you of the main advantages of this token, after which we will finally be able to go over the latest news. Ondo Finance is revolutionizing the world of real-world assets, creating a bridge between traditional finance and the crypto world. The idea is simple but incredibly powerful: tokenizing stable, income-generating assets from the traditional financial sector and bringing them onto the blockchain. This means you get all the benefits of traditional investments, but with the efficiency and accessibility that only blockchain can provide. Ondo has two main directions: asset management and technology. Asset management is responsible for creating and overseeing tokenized financial products, which combine the features of traditional instruments with blockchain advantages. What truly sets Ondo apart from others is its approach to protocols. They create autonomous protocols that, once launched, can operate independently of Ondo. This highlights their commitment to decentralization and autonomy in financial ecosystems. And as a bonus, partnerships with giants like BlackRock, Citi, and JP Morgan only add to trust and security. And now it's the perfect time to move on to reviewing the possible reasons behind such significant growth over the past 24 hours. First, it must be clarified that institutional interest in this narrative has recently surged. Major players want to be the first to enter a new and promising market. This is clearly reflected in BlackRock's actions and the statements of their CEO.
I believe the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization of securities. And if we can have that distributed ledger that we know every beneficial owner, every beneficial seller, we all have our code of who's buying, who's selling, instantaneous settlement. And think about it, it changes the whole ecosystem.
Just take a look at this short clip of Larry Fink's opinion. It should be noted that the company is based in the US, which could strongly contribute to its further development. It has already become clear how the Trump family and the current administration will push for local products and ideas. Personally, I think Ondo understands this perfectly and is systematically working in this direction. At the beginning of this year, they became the main charitable investors for Trump's first crypto ball. Immediately after that, they held their own Ondo Summit, which has already become one of the most interesting crypto events in the US. There is already a massive amount of exciting news from the summit, but I want to highlight just a few. Ondo Finance is launching a platform for tokenizing US securities, opening access to over 1,000 assets from NYSE and NASDAQ, including shares of Apple, Tesla, and fixed income ETFs. Ondo GM tokens will be backed one-to-one by underlying assets and can be transferred outside the US, like stablecoins. Additionally, the company has introduced Ondo Nexus, an infrastructure for instant liquidity of tokenized treasury assets, which will support treasuries from Franklin Templeton, WisdomTree, Wellington Management, and FundBridge Capital. I think just from these updates, it is clear that Ondo is planning to strengthen its collaboration with major stock market players, bridging them with crypto, because in reality, Ondo is the key guide that will bring all these companies and new investors into cryptocurrency. Well, as I mentioned before, this project understands very well that close cooperation with the US government is essential. And even at this stage, this approach is already yielding results. Shortly before the summit, one of the Trump family's crypto projects, World Liberty Financial, announced that it is creating a strategic token reserve. The DeFi project, supported by Donald Trump, acquired $470,000 worth of Ondo and plans to form a strategic reserve. The details have not yet been disclosed, but this already looks extremely bullish. And now let's move on to my price prediction. But before that, I urge you to join my Telegram channel. This is a must, as there I have posted a technical analysis and my short-term forecast for this coin. So follow the link in the description. Well, now about my prediction. Personally, I see the potential for growth to the levels Hedera reached at its peak. And what do you think about this? Write your opinions in the comments. I want to clarify that all the coins and their reviews are just my opinion and perspective on the market. So make sure to do your own research and invest wisely, especially when it comes to the coins that follow, as they carry higher risks but also offer greater growth potential. The next token in our selection is Realio, a true breakthrough in the software as a service sector, combining blockchain technology with institutional investment opportunities. This project operates on Ethereum and Arbitrum, ensuring high reliability and scalability. The core functions of Realio include a decentralized exchange, a secure wallet, asset tokenization mechanisms, and smart contracts. But the main advantage is the ability to tokenize real assets, such as real estate. This opens up new horizons for investors, offering fractional ownership and significantly increasing the liquidity of such assets. Interestingly, the project has already gained support from major financial institutions, which recognize the potential of tokenizing traditional markets. This only confirms Realio's serious intentions and its potential to become a key player in this sector. At the time of recording, Realio's market capitalization is $52 million. But with such potential, I am confident that during a bull market, this project could reach $500 million, meaning a 10 times increase for early investors. However, it's important to consider the circulating supply, currently 74%, which is a solid figure for this type of project. What do you think? Will Realio become a leader in real asset tokenization? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's move on. The third coin in our selection, Parcel, is a project that is changing the game in the real estate industry by leveraging the Solana blockchain. Its main idea is to make real estate investments accessible to everyone through tokenization. Thanks to this, users can own fractional shares of properties instead of purchasing an entire asset, significantly lowering the barrier to entry for investments. A key element of Parcel is its PRCL token, which unlocks several features, including governance, staking, and transaction payments within the ecosystem. Investors can earn rewards through staking, participate in voting, and contribute to platform improvements. Tokenization enables buying, selling, or exchanging fractional real estate shares, allowing investment diversification in global markets even with minimal capital. Parcel utilizes Solana's advantages, such as low fees and high transaction speeds, making the platform more efficient and transparent compared to traditional services. The platform also has ambitious plans to expand its ecosystem by adding new assets from various regions and enhancing the user experience for both beginners and experienced investors. At the time of this recording, Parcel's market capitalization is $32 million. However, given its potential, I expect the coin to reach $200 to $300 million by the end of 2025. Now let's move on to the final coin in our selection. Propi is a blockchain platform transforming the real estate industry, using innovations to create secure and convenient transactions. By integrating with Coinbase Base Chain, Propi is bringing the real estate market into the digital space, simplifying property access for buyers and sellers worldwide. One of its key features is Propi Keys, which allows tokenizing property addresses as NFTs. This not only enhances security by reducing fraud risks related to property rights, but also introduces a gamification element. With interactive features such as challenges and staking, users can earn Propy tokens as rewards, incentivizing community engagement. This approach has already proven successful, with over 150,000 addresses tokenized, and the company's goal is to reach millions of tokenized properties valued at up to $10 billion. Another innovation is creating NFT versions of famous global landmarks, which could become unique digital collectible assets. These features not only simplify property ownership transfers, but also bring a decentralized approach to the real estate market, which is valued at $280 trillion. Currently, Propy's market capitalization is $95 million, but in a true alt season, the project's potential could reach $500 to $600 million. What do you think? Will Propy become the new standard in digital real estate? Well, that's all for now. Remember, this is just my opinion on the market, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for new coin reviews. See you next time.